I'm Joshua, and today I'll be showing you how to draw a one-up mushroom from Super Mario. This is my first drawing tutorial, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe down below. The first thing we'll do is make a smile-ish thing that goes like this. Next, we'll make a curvy line. No, it's more straight. Then we'll make this oval thing. Then we make a big circle in the middle. Then two things like this. And then after that, we put two of these, two ovals, at one side and the other. And we'll do this, two little mini circles inside of those. Some animated eyes. Then we'll color in the two bigger circles. Then there you have it, how to draw a one-up mushroom. This is my finished product. You can see that we've colored the top and outlined the circles and C's, colored in the eyes of a one-up mushroom. Please subscribe down below. Hit that bell and it will go ding, ding, ding every time I have a new video. Please tune in for the rest of my videos. This is Joshua Cartoon Creation signing out.